Greetings, my loves, and welcome back to my channel, HADAR to Love Beacon Restored. I am Love Loyal, and I'm super excited about this segment. Affirm, affirm, affirm. It is extremely important on this journey of self-love and self-healing that you reassure yourself that you're heading in the right direction. And sometimes that could be a rough road to take, especially when you have this little voice in the back of your head reminding you or shooting doubts and guilt into your program, into your system, into your aura. Because keep in mind that over the years that you've been in existence, you've been fed so much negativity that when you start to do things good, your conscious and your subconscious mind is going to be a little unfamiliar. It's going to make you feel, or especially the parts of you that you have yet to reveal, or the parts of you that's still holding on to a lot of anger, frustration, negativity, that will prevent you from moving forward if you don't have the tools to reassure yourself that you're heading in the right direction. So what we're going to do today, is we're going to get right into these affirmations. So every single day, affirm to yourself the things that you want and you desire. I am beautiful. I am an amazing being. I am having a great day. Whatever your affirmation is, be sure that you have the mind, you're thinking, and you're feeling the energy as you're saying your affirmation. When you do this, you're sending a message to the universe to help you get that back into your life. Remember, this is an energy atmosphere that we live in. What you put out, you get back. So you constantly want to make sure that you're putting out good things so you can get good things in return. And that's what the universe is going to do for you. And once you start saying these affirmations every day, you'll start to see certain attributes of negativity fall away. Not to say that they're not going to be around, not to say that negative things won't happen. But when you affirm to yourself the type of day you're going to have, it'll be firmly etched in your mind. And it's already going to be out there in the universe. So the universe itself may even send you signals to remind you, hey, you said that you were going to have an amazing day. And you'll be mindful of what's going to be happening around you, how the energy is going to change. So I said this was going to be fun. So you guys, if you have a phone, go to your phone and get an app. I don't care what app it is. The app I have on my phone is the Law of Attraction affirmation app. But you can get any app that you want as long as it has the I am whatever you are. I am awesome. I am XYZ. That's all that matters. And if you have the fortitude, which I know you guys do, to think and feel it in your heart, watch the universe do its work. It's going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and play my affirmation app so you all can get an idea of what it is that I'm asking of you all. Because remember, the HADAR Love Beacon Restored is an experience, and we're collective. We're doing this together. So if you ever have any questions or any doubt or any concerns, be sure to send us an email, because we're here to help. And our goal is to heal one soul at a time. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the I am affirmations. And we'll just do 5 right now so we can move on in our segment.
I am awareness.
I am awareness.
I am gorgeous.
I am gorgeous.
I am vibrant.
I am vibrant.
I am respect for my physical body.
I am respect for my physical body.
I am in the right place at the right time.
I am in the right place at the right time. So you all get the gist of it. And the good thing about having it accessible to you is in the moment that you start to see a shift in your energy or around you, grab your phone, grab your device, or even better yet, grab a pen and paper. Because let me tell you, there is power in speaking and there is power in writing. So, affirm number 1 is to do the affirmations as much as you can. Send that energy out to the universe so the universe can send that energy back to you. Okay, number 2 of the affirmation segment. Surround yourself with individuals who support your self-love, who's going to encourage you to focus on healing those parts of you that's still under distress, that's still feeling pain. You need supportive friends and supportive family members who's going to understand that in order to give them, in order to be better for them, you need to take time out for yourself to rejuvenate. And how better yet to do that with people who understand. So, you guys, if you don't have anybody close to you that you feel you can reach out to, hello, HADAR to Love Beacon Restored, that's what we're here for. Now, granted, I might not be able to respond to you in person, but when I say in person, I mean sit down face to face, although I would love that. And for my local audience, I am working very hard so that we can have a venue for us to connect locally and start this healing process. But in the meantime, HADAR is available. We have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have email. And I've had some beautiful souls reach out to me, and I've been encouraging them. So again, we're here to grow collectively, to heal collectively. So reach out. Now, number 3 of AFFIRM. Number 3 is reading. Yes, I said it. Reading. Probably not your favorite thing. I love reading, but probably not your favorite thing. But what I will share with you is, when you read, there is a certain energy that comes from it. There's a certain reassurance that you're getting when you read the right materials pertaining to your self-love. So let me just show you guys some of the books that I have, that I use to help me stay above the curve, stay away from negativity, and keep my mind focused on my goal, which is to have more self-love in my life so that I can be a more happy person. Who wants to be walking around miserable all the time? I know I don't. Alright, so one of the books that I absolutely love, and I've had this book for some time now, and I know you guys have heard of this book or these authors. Ask and It Is Given, Learning to Manifest Your Desires. It's one of New York Times bestsellers from Esther and Jerry Hicks, and it goes over the teachings of Abraham. And it's a pretty awesome book. I got my book clip on it. I refer to this as my Bible, and I highlight. I mean, again, guys, when you're feeling down, when you're doubting, because we've had so much negativity placed on us as a society that even when we're doing the right thing, we still feel a little bit nervous about going through with it. But when you do the things that I'm suggesting you do, you'll start to cultivate a different type of energy in your life, and you'll start to see it change. And all I'm saying is spend about 5 to 10 minutes reading something positive that's going to uplift you, and I promise you'll see things shift in your life. Okay, so this is one of the books. Another book that I love, and it is very useful, 8 Mindful Steps to Happiness, Walking the Buddha's Path. And this is an excellent book. I don't spend as much time with this one as I do the other one, because the other one really resonates with me, but I still have my little tabs here for important features that I enjoy of this book. And again, the purpose is to reassure yourself. And these tools and these books, if it's not these books, there's a ton of other books that you can feed your mind with, that you could learn and grow to your own understanding that you're heading in the right direction. Okay, now I absolutely love this book. This is Lessons from the 12 Archangel, Divine Intervention in Daily Life by Belinda J. Womack. And you guys, I'll be sure to put this information in the description book. But this is a great book. I mean, this book has messages from the 12 Archangels. And this is one of my beloved books. I really enjoy this book. It helps me to connect with the divine. And if you all aren't familiar with this, I'm just going to say it. The angels are the closest divine energy that works directly with us. And I'm not going to get too deep into that, but at the end of the day, they are here to help us. And this book speaks on ways in which they can help. And I'll just really quickly go over some of the messages from this one that they have for us. And they offer messages on parenting, messages on restoring, messages on keys to being successful. I mean, again, these are all self-help type books. You can choose what you like, but these are the ones that I use, and these are the ones that have changed my life dramatically. Okay, so you guys, I'm telling you guys right now, the last thing that I do, which I'll create a video about it specifically, because you know it's really important that you change your energy around. So when you're feeling melancholy, when you're feeling like life is getting the best of you, you're feeling angry, you're feeling like there's no one that understands you, there is. First of all, know that there is someone out there that does understand you, and know that you have access to someone who understands you, and you guys know who that person is. Yep, me. I understand. So dance when you're feeling crazy. Sing when you're feeling crazy. You know, when you're feeling any of those negative 9-serving energies rising up in you, and all they're going to do is stress you out. The faster you change your energy, the faster the universe will change for you. And I know these things that I'm saying sounds extreme, and I'll give you guys examples of the things that have changed my life in videos later down the line. But right now, I really just want us to really get into the reveal and the reassurance, so that we can start getting into the bigger picture of things. Okay, so when you feeling crazy, feeling sad, you know, feeling depressed, change your energy around. I don't know if that means riding a bike for you. I don't know if it means going outside, you know, calling a friend. Make sure you have those things accessible to you, so that in the minute that things is looking crazy and you feel yourself about to go down to the lower frequencies, the guilt, the depression, the anger, the sadness, that you have those quick things that you can go to that's going to make your energy change, and you're going to be back on track. Because once we do these things, we'll become better people, better lovers, better citizens, and thus changing our universe, our world. Another thing that I do, strictly out of fun, is I love this Whimsical Escapes coloring book. Yep, I know, I'm grown. Yes, I color. And you know what, to be quite honest, I feel like that's what happened to us as adults. We got older and we forgot how to be creative. And it's like our creative mind shut down. And I'm learning, the more creative I am, the more energy that I give to the creative parts of me. For some reason, the less negative I feel and the more positive and productive I feel. Just by coloring. I feel like I'm achieving something. Even if it's just coloring a page, it does something for me. But let's have fun with this. What do you do to change your energy? Do you dance? Do you sing? Do you do something else that's crazy? Let me know. But you guys, please incorporate these things into your life and see your life change. Please like, subscribe, share, and each one teach one. Together we can change. Together we can become a better society, yet a better world. Thank you.